Hi, I'm Vicki Bell, and this is A Little Bit Green. Recently, I shared a video about 5 reusable products that have replaced single-use plastic in my home. But there are also so many other products we can switch to using that can help us become more environmentally friendly. So today, I'm going to share my experience with an eco-friendly laundry detergent made by Tru Earth. This video is not sponsored by anyone, and everything I say about this product is my personal opinion. Everyone has different preferences, so I might like something that you don't, and vice versa. In this video, I'm going to share my personal experience with this product. If you're like me, you might be wondering, what's so bad about using regular laundry detergent? Well, the most obvious issue is the plastic waste from all the laundry detergent bottles. 700 million plastic laundry jugs are dumped into landfills across North America every year. This plastic can take more than 100 years to break down. The chemicals used in laundry detergent also contaminate our water supplies, oceans, and rivers. This affects aquatic life and ecosystems, which can lead to dead fish and toxic water. Who knew cleaning your clothes could cause so much havoc on the environment? But don't panic, there is an easy solution: eco-friendly detergent. Tru Earth offers one of many eco-friendly laundry products, and if you are interested in me sharing more product reviews like this one, hit the like button below. I purchased the Tru Earth Eco Strips laundry detergent box that's good for 384 loads, and I've been using them since January. So far, I'm pleased with the results. They're very easy to use. Just drop one strip into the washing machine, add your clothes, and you're all set. They can be used in both hot and cold water. I use cold water and one eco strip for the majority of my laundry, but if the clothes are really dirty, I find washing them in hot water with 2 eco strips works best. The box is advertised as a year's worth of laundry detergent, and I think it will last at least that long, maybe even longer. Currently, they offer either fragrance-free strips or fresh linen scent. Honestly, I don't really notice the fresh linen scent, and I kind of wish it was stronger. But for those that have a sensitivity to strong smells, this is probably a good thing. While the Tru Earth Eco Strips are a little pricier than regular laundry detergent, they frequently offer sales. I purchased mine when they were offering a holiday special, and not only was the price reduced, I also received a pack of 4 wool dryer balls for free as part of the promotion. I reviewed the dryer balls in a previous video. You can find the link for that one down below. All in all, I would definitely buy this product again, and I recommend it for anyone trying to switch to more environmentally friendly cleaning products. Tru Earth has helped eliminate over 7 million plastic jugs from the landfill so far, and with your help, they can keep reducing waste from the environment.